me. Oh man. Overseas on, like so many times before. You drop it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come and you pay, keep on rubbing till the break of the day. Overseas on, like so many times before. You drop it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come down to pay, keep drop it fucking 1994. There was no reason that we had wanted to play, but a vision of expression and a ability to reason with the world we did our life, and a ability we recognize. How many times in composition turned into confession, putting a foundation for our youth to grow into progression, making a day you will reside. We say you know things ain't right. Let the pressure that you rented from this life. Let forever you had wondered what's in store, until you stand up and not get it anymore. Overseas on, like so many times before. You drop it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come down to me, keep on rubbing till the break of the day. Overseas on, like so many times before. You drop it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come this to me, drop about the things you do, and the volume of your kind of mental instant too. No second guessing when it's already past, denying that it wouldn't last. It's to the day, it's to the nights, throughout the years. How many fights? It's to the day that made the way. We say, you know things ain't right. Now the pressure that you're granted from this life. Let forever you had wondered what's in store. That's when you stand up and not take it anymore. Overseas on, like so many times before. You drop it till you break down the door. Overseas on, when we come and we play, keep on rubbing till the break of the day. Overseas on, like so many times before. You drop it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come this obey, just keep on rubbing, oh yeah, yeah. Like we done before, oh yeah, yeah. See the day, the night and the night, let's open wide, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Overseas on, like so many times before. You drop it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come disobey, keep on rubbing, oh yeah, yeah. Overseas on, like so many times before. You keep to rub it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come disobey, you keep to rub it till the break of the day. Overseas on, like so many times before. You keep to rub it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come not to obey, you keep to rub it till the break of the day. Overseas on, like so many times before. You keep to rub it till you break down the walls. Overseas on, when you come not to obey, you keep to rub it till the break of the day. Overseas on.
not so far from home, where I lay my head down by the sea. Going back to where we go, so far away but not so far from home, where I'd rest, where I'd lay so peacefully.
But by the way, I wanna break and put this stress aside. But above all things, I wanna lay by the ocean side. The ocean waves, no other way, either way. But I'm finding, oh no, my daily worries wanna drift away. Fine, dying and trying to find some sort of peace of mind. Now's the time, get away, going away. By the ocean side. One more minute, one more minute, one more minute. So far away, down the other beach. I wanna clear my head and bake it in the warm sunshine. Wanna relaxation. The horizon straight away, and a ring around my arm from a long day of making angels in the sand. Pacifico in my head.